DJI and Insta360 stand out with unique features catering to diverse content creators. The DJI OSMO Pocket series is favoured by vloggers for its portability, gimbal stabilization, and video quality. Meanwhile, Insta360's X series excels in capturing immersive 360-degree footage with excellent stitching. With the upcoming DJI OSMO Pocket 4 and Insta360 X5, both are set to enhance the ultra-portable camera experience. Let's see how the OSMO Pocket 4 and Insta360 X5 compare. The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 is expected to maintain its iconic small, compact form. Perhaps even more so, will feature a 2.5-inch touchscreen and might weigh around 190 grams. This weight and size are in line with its predecessors and contribute to its ultra-portable nature. On the other hand, the Insta360 X5 is expected to follow the X4's ergonomic, flat form, but could see improvements like reducing the weight of around 180 grams and a more compact body. Adjustments to lens placement may also be made for improved stitching accuracy. While the OSMO Pocket 4 likely retains its signature foldable design, the Insta360 X5 will likely sport a more sleek and refined shape. The OSMO Pocket 4 is expected to feature a rotatable 2.5-inch touchscreen brightness of 480 by 800 by 800 nits. However, sunlight visibility could still be a challenge despite this improvement. In comparison, the Insta360 X5 is anticipated to retain a 2.5-inch touchscreen similar to the X4, but with improved brightness and possibly an upgraded interface for more intuitive use. Given the compact nature of both devices, neither will compete with large screens, but the X5 may have a slightly better overall viewing experience in challenging lighting situations. For possible better anticipated screen brightness and usability, Insta360 X5 takes the lead here. The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 is rumoured to house a 12-megapixel 1-inch sensor, an upgrade from the OSMO Pocket 3's 9.4 megapixel, designed for capturing crisp, dynamic images and video. DJI could also increase low-light performance, a major selling point for creators working in varying lighting conditions. The OSMO Pocket 4 might also boast 4K at 240 FPS, pushing the boundary for smooth slow-motion video. Conversely, the Insta360 X5 will likely come with a larger sensor, possibly 2/3 inch, than the X4's 1/2 inch, bringing improved low-light performance and potentially enhancing dynamic range. Additionally, Insta360 could equip the X5 with 10-bit color depth for better color grading and post-production flexibility, a feature not typically seen in consumer-level 360 cameras. In terms of resolution, while the OSMO Pocket 4 could shoot at 4K at 240 FPS, the X5 may stick to 8K, like the X4, but with significant improvements in stitching, reframing quality, and perhaps 8K at 60 FPS. Due to the larger sensor, 10-bit support, and superior 360-degree video performance, Insta360 wins here. The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 will continue to rely on its highly praised 3-axis gimbal stabilization, a staple of the Pocket series, allowing for fluid, shake-free footage. The next iteration may introduce advanced stabilization modes for smoother footage, particularly in challenging environments. The Insta360 X5, however, stands out for its 360-degree video capabilities, excelling in stabilization across all axes without requiring an external gimbal. It also benefits from flow state stabilization, which has been continually improved in each Insta360 iteration. The X5 could leverage advanced image processing to create an even more seamless viewing experience with its 360-degree capture. In this category, the X5's ability to stabilize 360-degree footage without extra equipment gives it the upper hand. Both cameras are rumoured to excel in high-quality slow motion. The Osmo Pocket 4 might hit 4K at 240 FPS and 3K at 120 FPS, making it an ideal choice for creators focused on slow-motion shots with a wide aspect ratio. On the flip side, the Insta360 X5 is anticipated to improve upon the X4's 240 FPS slow motion at 2.7K by pushing the limits further, possibly adding 8K at 60 FPS or 5.7K at 120 FPS. The ability to record in higher resolutions and with greater detail in slow motion scenarios could place the X5 in a more competitive position in this area. Better slow motion capability and versatility give Insta360 X5 leads here. The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 could see an improvement in battery life, potentially delivering up to 1.52 hours of continuous usage, supported by a fast charging solution of approximately 25 minutes to 80%. However, much of its power usage may be dedicated to the large 4K at 240 FPS video recording. In comparison, the Insta360 X5's battery life could be extended through optimized power management and efficient 360-degree video recording at high resolutions. Despite a potential battery drain from dual-lens 360-degree capture, Insta360 has optimized the X series for longer shooting times. So the winner is DJI OSMO Pocket 4 for slightly better anticipated battery performance. While the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to come with ActiveTrack 7.0, a phase detection and eye-tracking autofocus, the Insta360 X5 is likely to integrate advanced audio improvements such as external mic support and better onboard microphones. Given that 360-degree audio will also be crucial for immersive 360 videos, the X5's focus on audio could make it a better option for professionals seeking the complete package for video and sound. In terms of connectivity, both devices will support Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and possibly camera-to-cloud capabilities, with X5 also offering robust support for third-party accessories. Pricing for the DJI OSMO Pocket 4 is speculated to be around $700, making it more affordable for general consumers while retaining premium features. The Insta360 X5 could come in at a higher price point, possibly closer to $1,000 due to its advanced 360-degree capabilities and professional-level features. Both cameras have sparked considerable anticipation in the content creation community, with each manufacturer adhering to distinct release schedules. The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 is speculated for a release between late 2026 or early 2027, based on DJI's typical 3-year cycle between Pocket releases. While this timeline is educated guesswork, it's backed by the success of previous releases, including the Osmo Pocket 3 in late 2023. Meanwhile, the Insta360 X5 is expected to hit the market around 2025, following the trends of the X series. Insta360's relatively shorter gaps between models could mean the X5 might arrive sooner to stay competitive with rivals like GoPro and DJI. Thank you for watching. The Insta360 X5 surpasses the DJI OSMO Pocket 4 in 360-degree capture, image quality, and stabilization. While the Osmo is more compact and affordable, the X5 is the preferred choice for advanced video creators. Drop a comment below. Which camera are you betting on?